morning. So, it's morning time guys here in Hong Kong. So, every day guys, kinahanglan, kailangan natin mag-refill ng water dito sa pitcher na to. Every day because every morning kasi yung mga amo ko guys, hindi kumakain dito sa bahay. So, kailangan you need to prepare water for them. Every morning you need to check if may laman bang water dito. So, ngayon guys, it's morning here in Hong Kong. So, time to prepare water. But, wait, before that, since si amo na lalaki mahilig sa lemon water, so kailangan lagyan natin ng lemon guys. So, this is a healthy, also vitamin C guys. So, lemon water. So, I need to prepare first the lemon. You need to wash this first. So, hugasan mo guys. At saka, slice mo para maano mo guys. Ilagay sa water. So, ang tawag nito guys, dito guys, it's a lemon water. So, hugasan mo ng maigi guys kasi pati balat guys, ipasok mo sa loob ng pitcher na may lamang tubig. So, for me guys, para hindi mapait or bitter siya, kailangan mo remove yung mga seeds kung may mga seeds dito guys. So, ito guys, every morning, my daily routine. So, I need to put here inside. You need to wash it properly so that it's very clean. No. Ito ang morning routine guys. Kailangan you need to check the water inside the pitcher here. This one is ready when my employer is wake up. So, it's ready na ang lemon water. So, you need to check this one every now and then, guys. Kasi work sila amo in the afternoon or in the evening when they come back. So, you need to check if may laman pang tubig. So, kailangan din, you need to clean first the pitcher, guys. Kasi mga amo natin, minsan, yung may mga amo na masilan pagdating sa linis. So, sa akin, okay lang naman din. Pero kailangan natin maging malinis din sa bahay. Okay, that's all for this morning. And while preparing this water guys, so ako guys, magkape muna bago mag-start ng gawaing bahay. That's all for this morning and God bless us all. Bye bye. This is Virgie the Dreamer. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. That's all and ready to serve. Bye bye.